Dates, the 11th of July 2022, this is Alberganesplanadi, Alberganesplanadi 4 District B. This is really nice, very interesting. It has these 4 berths of 305 grams with a small round window. That's really rare. Although this doesn't have a elevator like this. And this TGC I will get to later.
Yeah.
Because it is impossible to get. So, but later. It has 7 floors, it was built in 1996, but 95 on the glass, so this is actually early 1996, but it's 2000, but must have been very close to have received Series 1 buttons. And this is USB 1D1888, will be inspected in the next year, 2023. Turn 25 is older than last year, 2021. This has 2 rides.
Yeah.
I love this style.
Same.
Yeah, this feels like so much like 70s, 80s though.
Yeah.
6-4.
Miten te olette